Okay, let's pull another one off. Another soft part. Alright, it's got a big round snout on it. Guess what that is? Big and flat cover. It's a cone cover. Yeah, that's how you know what that is. Tell by the shape what the stuff is. I sharpened my knife, that's why it's cutting so good right now. Ooh, it's a black one. That means it's in the 80s. Well, it could be late 70s too. We'll find out in a minute once we get it opened up. See what the hell's on the inside of it. Oh, it's a buell part. There you go. Ooh, an XB. Alright. It's not a blast part. It's got 2 cylinders. So it's a buell XB motor. So this is 2003 and later. Or is it 2002? I think they made 3 the first year on XB. I don't know. I don't remember. 2 or 3. Anyway, it's got 4 cams on it. So it fits that case right over there. That one. I just put that over there too. Damn. That's this thing. These are heavy. So this is a buell blast. So this only has 1 cylinder. It's only got 2 bushings in its cover. So this is the same damn cover. Here, identical cover, same casting. The only difference is they machined these 2 bosses, because this cover has those 2 bosses in there. They're just not machined. So same covers, fit blast or big bike. So see how it looks just like that. Goes in there like this. Boom. Mounted. I think it's made for it. There you go. One step closer on making this motor work. I go find me a couple Allen screws to hold it all in there. Alright, so there you go. So what I like about the buell motor is it still uses ignition. You can use everyday ignitions on the bike. It doesn't use that stupid RS crank sensors that come out the front over here somewhere. This motor over here, Sportster motor. This is 03, 04 and up. Get my light up. There we go. So this does not have a cone cover on the cover. It's got a fake one on there. There's nothing in it. So this one here actually has it takes a real ignition. Same as a big twin motor, cone motor, Chevrolet motor, Evo. I don't have a cover on this one, but same thing there. Same as my airplane motor there. Right here, it's the same snout on it, and same iron head also. Okay, I was just in here, so I know the screws I need. I need some of these here. One of those and one of those. Actually, I should get 2 of those. 2 of this one. Ooh. Low bridge. There's a bike in my way. Head knocker. So here's an old iron head motor over here. Cone cover. Just got a cone on it. Same thing. Identical. Alright, so they take longer bolts. Oh, this one has long bolts all over the place. Except for right there. Okay, well, there you go. Oh, that one's pretty short. Yep, that's it. Long one there. Here we go. Figured it out. Now the cams are the same between the Blast and the XB. Yeah, the twin. The 2 cams go the same. They go right in the same motor. So there you go. Alright, so there's a cover. You can put an XB cover on a buell Blast, but you can't put the Blast cover on this unless you only run 1 cylinder. So that's the difference. That will only fit 1 bike. This will fit all bikes. So there you go. All bikes being buells, not Sportsters. Sportsters have a generator snout up here. which is an oil filter mount. Now, it used to be a generator. So, there's a big snout over here. This doesn't have that. Alright, there you go. That's what it looks like on a motor. There you go. Another mock-up motor for racing.